Hi, I'm Tom from Somerset. Before dealing with MP estate planning, I was in a position where I was worried that anything that had previously been left to me through my father, I wasn't going to appropriately protect, and my children may lose it. And I was also worried that I could pay some money to somebody that would suggest that they were helping me out, and it actually wouldn't be the case. And so I was almost in a position where I was doing nothing through fear. So before dealing with MP estate planning, I was trying to find a solution to protect my money like I know it had been protected in previous generations. I wasn't too sure where to look. I found Mike on Instagram, like I found everything else, but this was something that caught my attention that was going to be of a benefit to me rather than just sort of doom scrolling. And the questions that Mike was answering were questions I hadn't even realized I needed to ask. And it really spelled it out to me that he already understood my issue before we had even met. And so that was what prompted me to actually get in touch with Mike. And sure enough, all of my questions were things that he had already answered hundreds of times before. And it really helped me believe that I'd met the right person that was going to help me out here. So after dealing with MP estate planning, I had the natural kind of fear in my stomach that I get every time I spend money on anything that was a good way to spend money. I didn't have anything in my hand to show anyone I had bought, so I was a bit nervous about that aspect. And then, as Mike had explained, a blue folder full of all the legal documents would arrive. In a couple of days, it did. It had everything exactly as Mike said would be in there. It was all largely taken care of on the calls it had already. A couple of normal questions I had afterwards, I would fire into Mike and his team. They came back straight away. And actually, the whole process during and post just gave me more confidence. And it's gave me so much confidence that I've suggested Mike to family and friends. We continue to have a relationship now, which is very helpful. So it's been a good, very good experience all through, really.